In recent times, the way CEOs and other top executives are rewarded has gotten harder to understand, as executive compensation contracts have increased in complexity. But how does the complexity of executive compensation affect firm performance? Researchers found that the more complex a CEO's compensation is, the more negatively it affects firm performance metrics, such as accounting, market, and ESG performance. Modern executive compensation contracts often contain a variety of complex contingent rewards and performance goals, as well as various time horizons for achieving the goals that will trigger bonuses. Sometimes, the elements of a contract may be too numerous, independent of, and/or dissimilar from one another. Worse yet, the performance goals may even contradict or compete with one another, leaving a CEO confused about what he or she must do to be paid the maximum amount of the contract. This negative effect is also enhanced if a CEO has cognitive limitations and has issues understanding his or her contract to begin with. All this complexity can have negative effects on a firm's performance. For example, many contracts now include performance bonuses tied to ESG, which requires CEOs to broaden their focus and deal with more complex issues, such as how their companies affect the environment. Contract complexity can also affect short-term accounting measures, such as return on assets or the market position of the firm, as a CEO weighs and tries to execute competing terms or requirements of a contract. In addition, variation in compensation complexity can undermine the collaboration of the top management team. Wonder how the complexity of a CEO's contract may affect the firm's overall performance? If so, you may want to read this paper.